Welcome, everyone, to this deep dive.
Great to be here.
Today, we're taking you on a bit of a journey. We're headed to Shanghai, China, to explore a really unique spot, M50 Creative Park. Just imagine this. Used to be a textile factory, right? The old Shanghai Chunming woolen mill.
That's right, a working mill.
And now it's completely transformed. It's this bustling, really vibrant hub for contemporary art.
Quite the change.
Exactly. So our mission today is basically to dig into what makes this place tick, Uncover the most interesting bits about this pretty renowned art district.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's unpack this. If you were actually there, what's it like stepping into M50?
Well, the first thing that hits you is this atmosphere. It's got this industrial-chic thing going on, definitely.
Yeah, it totally leans into its past, doesn't it? You've got the old factory buildings still standing.
Yeah, the big chimneys, even some of the old boilers are still there. They feel like part of the art, almost.
Totally. And the walls. They're just covered in this amazing, always changing graffiti. It adds a real edge.
Raw feel, yeah. And it's important to remember, this isn't just like static galleries lined up.
Oh, for sure.
It's a community, right? Over 100 artists have their studios there.
And a lot of them are open. You can just wander in.
Often, yes. You can peek in, sometimes chat with the artist. It gives you this really direct, kind of unfiltered look at, the creative process itself.
That's brilliant.
What's really striking here, I think, is how M50 feels different from maybe some other art parks.
How so?
Well, it seems less intensely commercialized. Maybe that's the word. It fosters this more casual, authentic, artistic vibe.
Okay, so less pressure to just sell.
Exactly. Which means, artists maybe feel a bit freer to experiment, try new things. And for visitors, for you, it means you get a rawer look at art being made.
I see. More about the art itself.
Yeah, it encourages this really vibrant, almost experimental energy.
Yeah.
And the sheer variety of stuff you find there. It's incredible.
Like what?
Oh, everything. Painting, obviously abstract, realistic works, watercolors, oils, but also, sculpture, really striking photography, and even some pretty cutting-edge multimedia installations.
Wow.
It's a proper kaleidoscope of creativity, really.
That range sounds amazing. Does that less commercialized feel directly encourage that diversity, do you think? Are artists just more willing to take risks?
I think absolutely, yeah. When the main thing isn't just the immediate sale, there's definitely more room to, push boundaries.
Right.
Just for the sake of creating. And that, it naturally leads to a richer, more varied output. Makes M50 genuinely exciting for discovery.
You feel like you're bumping into real artistic expression.
And, that leads perfectly into something I found really compelling, especially for you listening. It's what else you can actually do there, beyond just looking.
The experience side.
Yeah. You can wander through those old factory spaces, pop into galleries, studios. Like you said, sometimes see artists actually working.
Which is fascinating in itself. Totally. And the street art alone, that graffiti, it's always changing apparently, so every visit is kind of new.
That's true. It's very dynamic.
And get this for a break. You can grab a coffee at the BWT Water Tower Café. It's inside a renovated water tower from 1933.
Oh, wow. I've heard about that. That's pretty cool reuse.
Isn't just brilliant? And plus, if you're feeling hands-on, some studios actually offer workshops.
Oh, yeah. Like what sort of things?
Things like pottery making, crafting silver jewelry, even learning bamboo art, or trying oil painting.
So you can actually participate.
Exactly. It shifts it from just looking, passively observing into something properly interactive. Makes it way more memorable, I think.
Yeah, definitely. And if we sort of zoom out, connect this to the bigger picture.
Yeah.
One of M50's really impressive qualities is just how accessible it is.
Ah, the practical stuff. Good point.
Yeah, super important. So the address is Nodo 50 Moganshan Road. That's in Shanghai's 220 district.
Wow.
Getting there is pretty easy on the metro. Jianing Road Station, that's line 13. It's just like a 5 or 10 minute walk.
Not bad at all.
Or Zontan Road, which is on lines 3 and 4. That's also pretty close by. So good transport links.
Right. And opening times.
The park itself is open all year round, usually 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Plenty of time to explore.
And the cost, this is key.
This is maybe the best part. Admission to M50 Creative Park itself, totally free.
Really? Free entry?
Yep. Now, some specific galleries or special exhibitions might charge a fee. That's normal.
Sure, standard practice.
But wandering the park, soaking in the atmosphere, seeing the street art, popping into many of the galleries that's free, makes art really accessible.
That's fantastic. What about physical accessibility? Wheelchairs?
Generally, yes. It's pretty wheelchair friendly. which is great. It aims to be welcoming.
Good to know.
And this all kind of raises an interesting question, maybe for you to ponder. How does this mix the industrial history, the artistic freedom, and this amazing accessibility? How does that make M50 maybe a model for like urban renewal, offering a different kind of cultural experience, one that encourages, deeper engagement?
That's a really good question. So wrapping this up then, what does it all mean for you, the listener?
Yeah, the takeaway.
I think M50 Creative Park really stands out. It's pretty much an essential visit if you're in Shanghai and looking for that authentic, diverse, and crucially accessible contemporary art scene.
Definitely.
It's just a special blend, isn't it? That industrial past meeting modern creativity. A unique window into China's art world today.
It really is. And maybe a final thought to leave you with. What can M50's journey, from that old woolen mill to this buzzing art district, what can it teach us about the power of adaptive reuse,